so beautiful. Who shall we have for dinner tonight?
So good.
Beautiful.
Tasty.
Welcome to our kitchen, where tonight we're making a quick and easy shrimp and broccoli recipe using just a few simple ingredients. This recipe will be done in less than 30 minutes and without all of the added sugars and grains that you find in the Chinese takeout version. This version is way healthier and it's so easy to make. Let's get started. The recipe will be in the description. Here we're going to get started with our fresh veggies. We remove the tails and devein and peel the shrimp. We prefer to use shrimp that is wild caught and locally sourced. Let's get ready to saute these shrimp.
Okay.
Yum, yum, yum. So let's go ahead and get the vegetables sauteed with the sauce. And that's it. Easy peasy. You can skip the rice or add it if you'd like. Either way, this delicious dish is going to be so, so good. Don't forget to like our video. It really helps our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.